And now the robot we have here is called aquatic friendly robot. This robot basically collects garbages from the water source. For example, river, oceans, etc. When we release the robot in the water, the robot with the help of artificial intelligence camera in there, it will try its best to detect the garbage. After detecting the garbage, the robot will go near the garbage, and with its automatical robotic hand, it will automatically collect the garbage, and then it will return in the river bank to drop the garbage. And as the main power source, we have used solar panels because it's eco-friendly. And here is the GPS, here's the GPS system, so we can understand, so we can know about the coordinates of the robot. And there is also humidity and temperature systems.